can the piping instrumentation diagram be used for the erection of an industrial plant? And understand the erection of an industrial plant as the construction, the installation of the pipes, the installation of tubes, the installation of the equipment, instrumentation, and etc. So, in my point of view, the pipe instrumentation diagram cannot be used for the plant erection. To the plant erection, the constructors must use other documentation than the piping instrumentation diagram. Because if you need to install a pump in the field, you have coordinates for that, and the piping instrumentation diagram is not a document with coordinates. You need to install pipelines in your industrial plant, and in the piping instrumentation diagram, you will not have all the fittings necessary to do the installation of a pipeline, because you have two strafe tubes, you have curves, you have weldings, you have flanges, and these are kinds of details that are not shown in the pipe instrumentation diagram, but in others documentation like isometrics, plot plan, and etc. So in my earlier years in my career, I started in a revamp for a polypropylene plant here in Brazil, and I have seen people not familiar with the pipe instrumentation diagram taking this document and try to match the vision of the equipment in the field with the drawing that was in the paper. That's not the way that the pipe instrumentation diagram should be used. In any case, the pipe instrumentation diagram as a representation of the industrial facility or the industrial plant can be used for verification about the process, and if all the main components to the process are installed, like pipes, manual valves, control valves, safety relief devices, and etc. So don't do this mistake of thinking that the pipe instrumentation diagram can be used to do the plant erection. It can be used for the verification, and most important, it is the basis for a set of others documentation to do the plant erection.